Hi, I'm Wilbur Jennings, owner and operator of Wilbur Construction LLC, and I'm here today to talk to you about a Craftsman style kitchen renovation. And what we've done here so far is we have completely gutted the whole place, right down to the bare bones. And when I say bare bones, I mean these studs. We've got old 2x4 studs. This house was built in the early 20s, and that's when the Craftsman style really kind of took off. So this right here is essentially going to be the back entryway of this kitchen, and so we will essentially turn this maybe into like a little mudroom or something. We'll talk about that later down the road. As you can come through here, we can see the existing dining room entrance, and the whole goal for this project is to be able to remove this whole wall right here. So if we can come over here and take a look, we have several problems that we're going to be facing. None that can't be overcome, but we've got all these utilities in this wall. So we're going to have to bring in an engineer, and we're going to have to find out what kind of load bearing we're going to need to support removing this wall. And we're going to have to bring in some plumbers and HVAC guys and some electricians so we can get some of this piping and this electrical moved. So as we come around, this right here is the only existing entrance to the living room right now. And we want it to be more of a easy pass through rather than walking through and then hitting a 90 degree and another 90 degree to go into the living room. So we're gonna open up this other wall here for them, and we're gonna actually add a bathroom right here. And so we'll have a first floor bathroom, which they do not have right now. And then coming along here is we found some brick. Brick is fantastic. When you find brick, expose it, especially in these houses. And that's exactly what we're going to do here. So we're going to remove the rest of the framing around this. We're going to clean up that brick, and we're going to incorporate that into the design. So, and then as you can see, we've essentially just cleaned up all the studs, vacuumed everything, got everything out. And this was a smoke damaged home, so that was part of the whole process. You know, that's not necessarily something that you have to do in updating a kitchen, is take it right down to the studs. But in this case, it is. So we're going to get rid of all that smoke smell, and we'll have a cleaning crew come in here next and wipe down all this stuff, and then we'll be ready to start putting things back together. So please join me next time for our layout discussion, and we're going to kind of get together with our design team and talk about where everything is going to go and how we're going to attempt, or how we're going to remove this wall right here. So stay tuned for our next episode. Thank you.